Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going over how to properly weigh yourself. I'm going to first turn on the scale. After you turn it on, you need to get on very soon. Most scales will power off within a matter of about 10 seconds unless you step on. You should generally be naked. You should have gone to the bathroom. It should be the same time every day, preferably the morning upon first waking up if you can. And then we're just going to relax, stay nice and tall. Again, I would be normally naked, but I'm not going to show myself naked on a YouTube video. I'm 189.0. I'm going to track that. For most people, if they weigh themselves, I recommend weighing themselves every day. For an accurate record, it's going to make you more aware of your nutrition, eating better, getting in your exercise, and managing your weight much more efficiently. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thanks for watching.